I'm here with Kevin Forsett, who is my electrician, and Felix, and I got my main man, Tori. It's up there. We're going to be talking to y'all. Kevin, what are y'all talking about right here?
We're going to talk about the air conditioning power going to the AC unit outside. And we kind of see if there's one there. And watch out! No, there's not.
There
we got to get a feed
Watch out, airplane,
100 pounds out here to condenser unit per the AC guy.
Okay. All right. I see you up there, Tori. You're doing a great job. Felix, you also framing up everything in here right now. What you got?
Trying to get the framing done, getting ready for sheetrock and installation. Took off that AC unit, the wall unit they had in there.
So you had an AC right in here. You took it out and framed it up?
Yep, took it out, framed it off.
Okay, so we got rid of that old AC because we're going to go up here, folks, with Tori. Tori's up in the attic, and he's put in a... Is that an air handler, Tori? Okay. Talk to him a little bit about that. Come down, bend down a little bit, Tori. Okay. Looking good up there. Get him, Bobby! Yeah, that ain't nothing. Be careful, man.
We'll pick that up when we come back here to continue our wiring out here.
Okay.
We'll get this whole framed up and everything, gonna wire this room here up.
So, Kevin, by code, how many drops got to go on these walls? Okay. On both sides of the wall. All four walls got to have outlets. Okay.
There's no wall there now, but there will be. So out there getting another number 6 wires. That's 60 amps. Per from the AC guy.
Tori, so do you have to have a 60 amp on that? Okay. What's that, Tori? Felix! What you doing now, Felix? Is you framing up the closet?
Yep. Put up a knee wall, shower, so this is going to be an opening for the shower. The door's going to open in and it can open out. So we'll have the top of it tiled, this side tiled, this will get sheetrock. We'll have a piece of glass here going up, glass here going up.
All right, beautiful master bedroom shower, y'all. Designed by Felix. Here's your plumbing, all new plumbing. That's your toilet right there. Have a dual shower head for his and hers. All right. So Tori, what's that right there?
And ran into the plinth, the main plinth where the air is coming in there.
Okay.
So this is going to be specifically for this master bedroom.
Cool. Tori on the job. 2 master bedrooms. That's the shower drain right there. All right, and here's the toilet over here. As you see, we had to cut the concrete up because there never was a bathroom in here, so we had to make one. And that's the closet. We closed up a window that was right there. All right, and here's the entrance into the 2nd master bedroom. All right, this is the 2nd master bedroom here. All right, here's another bathroom. This is what you call the community bathroom for the other 2 bedrooms. All right, that's your vent to vent it outside, and that's your AC drop. Get AC into the bathroom. This is where your tub is gonna be. Okay. All right. It's looking good. And this is where your kitchen is gonna be. Your refrigerator is gonna be right there. Right there where that doorway is. We're gonna close that up. Okay. This is the air condition. This is called flex duct. This is where it run the air to wherever you need the room to go to, the air to go to. It's flexible. See what he's doing? He's shaking it out now so it could get elongated, making, stretching it out. All right, tell the folks what we're doing, Felix. Go around. All right, let's go inside. Let's talk about that LVL beam and what you're going to be doing in here with the electrician.
My name is Regina Moran. I'm retired law enforcement, as he said. I work with La Rosa Realty, and what I'm trying to do is just learn from Greg. I mean, look at what he got going on, and it's not just one. He does it over and over and over and over. So, you know, if we want to do something different and we want to have something different, we're going to have to do something different. So that's
Talk to him, Regina.
That's what I'm trying to learn, and 2021 got to be better than 2020. So.
Amen.
Yeah.
All right, you know, you gotta get out here. You gotta love this guy. Like I say, he's showing you the game. He's keeping the game out to you for free. Nobody's doing this here. So he loves what you can tell. He's oozing with energy and enthusiasm. He's captivating. He's showing you how to do it. I don't have the money. I know he do. I'm looking at that G-Wagon out there, and I'm trying to get connected with everything that he got. So he want me to be the hype man and talk. He the mouth of the South, but he said he needs somebody to pump him up and keep him motivated. And iron sharpens iron. I got some young men with me today that I mentored. They're 27 years old. So we trying to empower them so they can
Yes.
and keep flipping this thing over and over. So we not just flipping houses, we just flipping success. So we trying to teach.
Talk to him, Joe.
My name is Regina Moran. I'm retired law enforcement, as he said. I work with La Rosa Realty, and what I'm trying to do is just learn from Greg. I mean, look at what he got going on, and it's not just one. He does it over and over and over and over. So, you know, if we want to do something different and we want to have something different, we're going to have to do something different. So that's
Talk to him,
what I'm here.
Regina.
That's what I'm trying to learn, and 2021 got to be better than 2020. So.
Amen.
Yeah.
All right, you know, you gotta get out here. You gotta love this guy. Like I say, he's showing you the game. He's keeping the game out to you for free. Nobody's doing this here. So he loves what you can tell. He's oozing with energy and enthusiasm. He's captivating. He's showing you how to do it. I don't have the money. I know he do. I'm looking at that G-Wagon out there, and I'm trying to get connected with everything that he got. So he wants me to be the hype man. He the mouth of the South, but he said he needs somebody to pump him up and keep him motivated. Iron sharpens iron. I got some young men with me today that I mentored. They're 27 years old. So we try to empower them so they can
Yes.
keep flipping this thing over and over. So we're not just flipping houses, we just flipping success. We're trying to teach.
Talk to him, Joe. And it's about to be a closing, folks. All right. All right, Sabrina the Boss Lady is closing on a deal today. And thanks to Miss Tabitha for hooking us up.
Home Solution Title.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. And that's for you guys.
And it's about to be a closing, folks. All right.